Welcome to this guide on how to see the number of likes on your Instagram carousel from your PC following the latest update. If you've been wondering how to access this information easily, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to find the carousel you want to check. Scroll through your posts until you locate the carousel you're interested in. Remember, a carousel post can contain multiple images or videos, allowing for a more engaging experience. Once you've found the carousel, hover over it with your mouse cursor. This is where the magic happens. As you hover, a small count will appear, showing you the total number of likes that post has received. This feature is particularly useful for gauging engagement without needing to dive into each individual image. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily check the number of likes on any carousel post directly from your PC. This new update makes it more convenient than ever to manage and analyze your Instagram content effectively. Remember, keeping track of engagement metrics like likes can help you understand what resonates with your audience and guide your future content strategies. So, make sure to utilize this feature regularly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps enhance your Instagram experience and empowers you to make informed decisions about your content. Happy posting!